Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ted. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tita Jill. Happy birthday to the family.
Happy birthday, Tita Jing. Happy birthday, Jing. God bless you and Dodong and the kids. And may all your wishes come true. And gabay pa nga maging joyful and meaningful ang life mo dala sa UK.
Jing, happy birthday. May God bless you and keep you and make His face shine upon you and give you peace. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Tita
Happy birthday sa pinakagwapa ko nga tita Tani. Happy kasubong sa imong nga birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy, stay safe. Pray lang always kay God. And I know grabe man gid mo nga faith kay Lord. And miss ko na kamo. Si Ashley gini may pakana sining video greeting kay gusto niya ka i-surprise. Gusto ko kanya nga maging happy kasi imong nga birthday. So, amo lang na. Miss ko na ka mo. Ingat perme. Love you.
birthday, Tita Jing. We love you. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Jing, happy birthday. We are so glad that you are part of our family. Wishing you a day full of love and a years full of joy. To a wonderful woman, have the happiest birthday. We love you and we missed you. Bye Jing. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Tita Jing, and more birthdays to come. Kag take care of yourself po, and always remember me. Char! And thank you sa mga discipline nga pagi masama ni Ugi Tumalimtan, and that's it. Love you, Ted!
Happy birthday, Tita Jing! Wishing you a really good birthday, and I hope, Tita, na maging safe ka mo dira sa UK, especially kamugid nila Ashley, ni Tommy, kag ni Tito Dodong. Stay safe, Tita, and thank you gid so much sa mga discipline nga tudlo mo gid sa amon. Super scary, pero na-shape man kami. Thank you so much sa sa pagtudlo sa akon, especially sa math, Tita. Yeah, thank you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Jean. Happy birthday. Sana tagan kami ng lawas, ng swimming, si Mihok, namin na kay Dodong. Atagan mo sa may nga lawas nga mapatuloy kamo sa inyong trabaho. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Birthday, Mom. I love you. I miss you. Thank you for everything you've done.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for everything that you have done for us. And we hope that you have a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Mommy, I love you. I miss you. Have a great birthday. Make your heart go good.
What?
Jing for me as a friend is a good listener because Jing listens with compassion. She listens without judgment. She is always available and she's paying attention to details.
Hi sis, I will jump into answering the question or you answering the assignment because I've got a limited time. And if I were to describe you sis, ang description ko sa'yo as a friend is martyr. Martyr in a good way. Martyr in a Christian way of living. So, yun yung tingin ko sa'yo as a friend.
Hi Ate, happy birthday. You're one of the most genuine person I know, with a very big heart, humble, down to earth, kaya super blessed mo, and Whenever you feel sad, know that you have a family in us and we will always be here for you. We love you and we are so grateful for your life. You have Kababan family with you every step of the way in the UK. And ayun, we hope you enjoy your day and many more blessings to come.
I describe Jean as a very thoughtful friend because she took time to message and check up on me on how I was when I was in Philippines. Hi Jean, happiest birthday to you. I wish that you have a wonderful day celebrating. I also wish that you have a good health, full of blessings, full of love and joy on your special day.
Hi Ate Jing, thank you for being a caring friend and ate to me. Since the beginning, you've been kind and supportive to everyone. I wish you the best. May God bless you and to continue your work with the Lord.
Hi Sis Jean, happy birthday sis. And in your day, I just want to declare in Psalm 20 verse 4 that says, may God give you all the desires of your heart and make all your plans succeed. We love you sis. Happy birthday!
Jing as a friend is mapagmahal. Like ever since nakilala ko siya, I really felt loved by her presence and talagang sobrang maasikaso niya na kaibigan. And on your birthday, we just wanted you to know that you are loved by so many. I declared blessings, good health, and of course, all God's blessing upon your life. I love you sis. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ninang Jeng! God bless you! I love you! Kiss na! Happy birthday, Mana! Mag-enjoy ka sa imong birthday!
Hanggang ko sa birthday mo.
Gaya ko handa mo!
Ano po sa danda mo.
May lechon da. I love you.
I love you.
I miss you so much.
Miss you so much.
Mama.
Mama.
Happy birthday, Ninang Jeng. I love you. God bless you. I miss you so much. Kiss na. Happy birthday, Mana. Ops, hindi ka na may biya.
Hindi ko na yung biya.
Mag-greet lang kami ni Faith.
Mag-greet kami si Faith.
Hindi ka sige ka, work damo-damo da.
Hindi ka na work.
Alagaan mo, permi mo nga sarili. Kay mas importante na, kag ang importante, hindi ka nagakalipat sa Ginoo. I love you so much. Maghalong ka mo da permi. I love you. I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!